Hey everyone, it's Kara. Let's try to film this again. This is the fourth time I've tried to film this video because my dogs keep making noise and barking at everything. So let's try this again. I put them upstairs, so hopefully you won't be able to hear them. So I have the summer 2019 FabFitFun box for you guys. I haven't done one of these in a year, since right before my boyfriend died, and I haven't done one since. I've been getting them obviously for the past year, but I haven't been filming, so I haven't been uploading the unboxing videos. So this is the first one I've gotten since I started refilming. So my plan is you can customize your box. You get to pick what you want, sort of. They give you options, and then if you want like one option plus like another option, you can pay a little bit of extra money to get the other option. So I got three different other things that I paid for. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what those are. The first is these like blush pink silicone wine glasses. They came in this bag, but like I said, I've already tried to film this video like 4 times. So I got those. These are from Odeum. Silicone wine glasses, what a pair. That's what the bag looks like. Like I said, they're blush pink. So I love wine. I prefer to drink wine over anything else. So I have a couple of silicone wine glasses already, so I figured I'd use those for like the white wine, and I could use these ones for like rosé or red wine. I mean, that sounds really weird, but I mean, I'll probably end up doing that anyways. So then I got this XO Sienna felt message board. I've seen a lot of people have these on Pinterest or like Instagram or whatever. I don't need it, I just kind of wanted one. So it comes with this little baggie to put the letters in. The letters. And then the felt board is in here. So like I said, I didn't need it, I just kind of wanted it. So, alright, throw that on the floor. Then I got these West Elm set of 3 indigo tie-dye bowls. And these are really pretty. I opened this up yesterday. So like I said, these are really pretty. They're 3 like sets. It's a big bowl, medium bowl, and a small bowl. I'm trying to get it where you... I think these are really pretty. Again, something I don't really need, I just kind of wanted. I use these bowls as like snack bowls. If like I want a snack, something small, then I'll grab like the small bowl, blah blah blah. I find these good for like portion control, because if it's a snack that I like, then I have a problem with portion control. So I got those. And then I'll show you, this is the actual box for the summer. It's pink and green. So that's the box. So we got a reward code thing, HelloFresh, and the little magazine. So this comes with this shows you all what's in the box and what you could have gotten. So for the, actually I haven't shown that yet. Alright, let's get to the box. So we have the invisible traceless hair ring in like a clear and a nude. one of my biggest problems with my hair, I have a lot of issues with my hair, but one of my biggest problems is when I put it into a ponytail, I get that crease. And it's really annoying because I have to straighten my hair every day, so I really don't want the crease in my hair when I put it up in a ponytail. But I live in North Carolina. It's the end of May, and it's 91 degrees right now, and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's already really hot, and we haven't even hit summer yet. And I'm like dying right now. So these are good because they don't crease your hair. Which, like I said, I have really thick, wavy, curly hair. I have to straighten it every day, so this is perfect for me because they don't crease your hair and because I straighten my hair every day, which is not good for your hair, but it's something I have to do. So this is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Says apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. This looks like the Glossier, what's it called? Balm.com or something. I have 3 of them, the original birthday cake and the coconut. This is kind of what that reminds me of. Obviously I've never used this before, but that's kind of what this, it seems like a similar product. And I love the Glossier one, so I'm hoping I will like this one. And I usually use the Glossier for my lips. I put everything on my lips if it's meant for, if you can put it on your lips, I usually put it up there. Because I don't like having chapped lips, because that's a huge pet peeve of mine. I didn't straighten my hair today because I was staying at home, but it looks like a hot mess. Okay. Then we got this Jennifer Zuner jewelry pouch. Let me get it open. This is a necklace, and if you can see, it has 2 little stars on it, which I think is really cute. I don't have anything like this in my jewelry collection, and I don't really wear gold, so this is completely different for me. So this is really cute, and I'm excited to have it. Then we got the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. This is just a basic facial spray. I don't know if I can open it. I just put lotion on my hands. Oh, there we go. It has a light rose scent, which I don't mind. I have a couple face sprays that are rose scented. So, and I'm always using facial sprays. Actually, I might keep this one down here on my desk because like I said, I use them all the time. And I have a couple upstairs already, like a little bit too much, so I might just keep this one down here. Then we have the the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So this looks like a sheet mask, which I'm not the biggest fan of sheet masks, to be honest with you. But I'm trying to get into them. Yeah, that's what that looks like. It's like sheet mask. I prefer a regular like clay facial mask or whatever. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of sheet masks, but I like them because they're convenient. So I'm trying to like branch out and get more into sheet mask, but I prefer the old-fashioned like green 50s facial mask or like any other mask that is similar to that. This is the Wish Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens intense hydration. This is good for the summer. This will be good. Especially since you wear like a lot of sandals and flip-flops. This will be good to use in the shower. Oh, use at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So I like that you can wear it to bed. Except I'm wondering if you have to put socks on to wear it to bed. I hate wearing socks to bed. But I guess we'll try it out. I wonder what it smells like. It has a light scent to it. It's not like super strong. I don't really know what verbena smells like, but I can smell the coconut milk. Alright, next is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So this is fun. Which way does that go? This way. Generation Clay. So I'm assuming this is just like a bright purple face mask. This is fun. I might use this tonight. Apply an even layer to clean dried skin. Wait 10 minutes. Okay, so this is like a pretty short facial face mask. Some of the face masks I use can be like 20 to 30 minutes, so 10 minutes is not too bad. But I like the fact that it's purple. Then we have the Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. I definitely need this. I always get confused on this camera. What do you smell like? Oh, it's like a thick, can you see that? It's like a thick cream. Oh my god, that smells like something I used to use from Bath and Body Works, like in middle school. It was called White Tea and Ginger. If any of you guys remember that scent from Bath and Body Works back in like the 90s and early 2000s, that's what this smells like. This is so good. Oh my god, I love that. I actually have a bottle of the White Tea and Ginger. I could look for it right now, but it'd probably take me like 10 minutes to find it. But that's what this smells like, and I really love it. So the last two things in here go together. And this is going to be like my favorite thing out of this box, is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian 4 Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I already have this in my shower, so I'm excited to use this again. I've been using the one in my shower kind of sparingly because it's kind of expensive. Where is it at? Oh, the set of this is $45. So these two are $45. I'm pretty sure just to buy this by itself it's $45. This is a pretty pricey line at Sephora, but I really love it. And like I said, I have the shower gel, but I use it sparingly because it's so expensive. But now that I have another bottle, I can use it some more. And y'all know, if you've been watching me for a long time, that this is my favorite body butter, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I don't know if it's called Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom Cream. I've heard it both ways. I call it the Bum Bum Cream because that's what it looks like. But this is my favorite. This smells like cake batter. It smells so good. I like it because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it leaves your skin kind of shimmery. So these two are like my absolute favorites out of this whole box. So I could have gotten a mini blow dryer, a lotus towel, a kimono, a tote bag, resistance bands, liquid eyeliner, a mystery item. Let's see. Coola makeup setting sunscreen spray, a micro polish, face wash. So those are the other items I could have gotten. And then this page. So depending on what you got, your box could have been valued at $270 to $468, which is a pretty good price for, I think I paid like 40 or 50. I bought mine for the year, so I don't remember exactly, but I think it's like $40 or $50 for just one box. But I mean, you get a lot of product in here, and most of them are pretty full-size products, so that's why I like this. This is like my favorite subscription service ever. I've said that multiple times. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.